goodness, it is so bright out. It's like crazy. We don't even know what to do with ourselves. Alright, so the boys have left me. They just straight up left me.
That's kind of fun.
That is a pretty lake.
I'm recording so when you fall in we have evidence.
Oh.
Hey, don't hack at it. We have a playground. Did you see the ducks? There were ducks on the lawn.
Yeah, Dad told me there's nothing at
He's what?
Badminton.
Badminton.
One reason I don't want to go down the slide because I don't want to get my booty wet.
Windham, Clear Lake. Really? Is it for play or for horseshoes? Nathan likes this tree. He thinks it's really cool. Maybe we'll paint it. Do you want to paint a picture of this tree? I think it'd be really cool. I think it is. It's for horseshoes, but you could also play in it. Hey, look. These are duck tracks. The ducks, all these little V marks. These are all duck footprints.
Thanks for showing me that.
The little duckies are in here.
Oh, lots of them.
All right, let's go do CPT.
Okay.
Guess what we found?
But not in the blink of an eye. We're so far from a hospital.
Daddy's favorite show. What are we grilling tonight? What did you want?
Frog legs.
Frog legs and steak.
Yay.
You're gonna nibble on your toes.
Wow. Those two fighting right there.
Hold them in your hand.
Ow! You're gonna scare me. This is fun.
Oh, they pooped on our deck.
Oh no.
Becky.
All right, so the boys have left me. They just straight up left me. I was busy working on the computer, and they just left. So I have to go find them. I think they're exploring the resort.
You know what color?
Yeah.
I like this. Drifting out of the sky.
Almost citrusy. Sweet. You smell the tree?
This one.
Oh man.
Oh, those are
I wonder what happened that they had to put that sign up.
Well, I can take a guess.
Such a stupid laugh.
Ping pong.
That's kind of sad.
Is that the kid pool?
Yeah, it's sad. Can I sit down?
Sure.
You want to come see this?
Nathan's touching his first palm tree.
Ow! These are kind of soft. Look at you not to touch these.
Maybe we'll have to learn different kinds of palms.
Ow!
No.
Ow!
No.
Dad draws a
I
line.
really don't like this.
He's interested in the birds, but you can't learn palm trees. You already don't like it?
Look, because it's pokey.
Oh. Oh.
Can I go down there?
Oh, there's docks over there?
Can I go down there?
Wait for me, Nathan. What kind of birds are those?
Floating ducks.
No, Daddy, come here.
Is it an Arctic tern?
There's some grebes over there.
Hey! Those could be Clark's grebes, Nathan.
Oh, that's
Those are the guys that do really funny dances.
in the water.
That's what they look like. Oh.
Look.
You know, we give Lori a lot of flack about being a birder, but
I gotta say, this lake is not very clear.
I think you're right.
Don't worry, I can swim.
And you can help me.
Yeah, I'll reach down and grab you.
I wasn't trying to
whatever llamas do.
We'll find out what kind of hawk it is, but it went "Meow." And it's got a really red tail.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, it's a terrible video.
Where are the binoculars?
These are things that are way higher.
Yeah, there's a crooked tree.
But this is probably part of what makes this such a good area for
Bigfoot.
for Bigfoot.
I did it! The biggest one I found!
Oh.
Daddy.
So cold enough to freeze.
Looks like someone had diarrhea.
What's with the diarrhea talk today?
Don't tell your weird talk. It's all your fault.
You throw that in there?
Look at that.
Oh, Daddy.
Putting war paint on.
You gonna throw it in there, Nathan?
What?
Throw it in there?
Good thing we have a washer and dryer in place.
Nathan asked what the sticks are. Those are it's a vineyard. Just doesn't have any leaves right now. Lakeport. Andrew thinks it's kind of a nice little town.
Well, I mean, comparatively speaking.
Yeah, Nice did not seem to have very much to offer. Lakeport Fire!
Fire department?
This seems a little more upkept.
They actually have
Probably go down that road.
like a little downtown area.
Mm-hmm.
They found a really big tree. It intrigues me what Andrew wants to get out and see.
No, I'm just gonna look around.
It's mallards.
I don't know, it's not a bad little town.
I just never see you on vacation. That's why it's so weird. Nathan found some gulls. Realize that we might look really weird to everybody around here. This guy's mowing a lawn. He's in Carhartts, a jacket and a hat. And like, Andrew's in shorts and a t-shirt. I'm on the scout for a heron we saw land. I can't believe I can't see him. He's huge. Oh, he's in the green tree. There he is. There's a terrible video of him, but proof that I saw a big heron. No, he's got his neck bent too. Just saw the mud on the car. Look what you did. How's your toe?
Not my toe, it's my foot.
Oh, sit right here. Why don't you, like, you know, do it right here. Turkey vultures. Right here, Nathan. They're, just look at them. They're vultures. See their red heads? They eat carrion. Dead things. They are big, yes. There's one out there on that
Oh,
bush.
that's half a deer.
Oh, I wonder if the deer we saw yesterday got hit. Oh. Well, there you go, Nathan. They're eating that dead deer. We've been
Wings on that.
really quite surprised. You can't see that one from the shadow. At the amount of wildlife here in
Well,
California.
when one opens its wings, you can.
I got a new sticker.
Where'd you get it from?
I got it from a policeman.
Yeah.
A policeman was in
Lakeport Police.
a policeman was in the parking lot, and I said hello. He came over and gave me a sticker.
Very cool. And of course we brought the helmet. Hey, hey, hey. Don't you come in here. You can't come in here. Go. All of you. Go to your own home. All of you. Go. 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 What? You're not even loyal to me. You wander off to her as soon as I turn my back. There they go. The neighbors are grilling. They're so funny. We all know if you're gonna go swimming, you go in the regular pool first, and then you go in the hot tub. But I didn't really want to go in the regular pool because the hot tub sounded good. Yeah?
Come back in about an hour and a half.
So I got in the hot tub. And I'm like, alright, I'm really warm. I'll go sit in the pool. Yeah, no, I'm back in the hot tub. It's a pretty green, boy, he's really pretty.
He was just laying there. I thought he might be dead, but...
Yeah, he's cold.
You should probably kill him. No.
Why?
No, don't. I
Just a
don't.
moth doing moth things.
Where'd Daddy go?
Daddy! What are you doing? That was fun. I'm actually floating.
Are you swimming?
My feet won't touching the ground.
Good job. Notice, nobody else in the pool in December in California except for the Alaskans. Daddy says he's gonna murder you.
That's not what happened. Open the door, Nathan.
You live to die another day. All right, we're starting to settle in for the night.
I think we're gonna go swimming again.
Yeah, we went swimming a little bit. We went over to Lakeport to check out some different grocery stores. We saw a lot of really cool birds. We did do some swimming. We are gonna cook tonight. Nathan and I
I kind of know how to swim with floaties without as much sail.
Yeah.
Because she didn't film up that much. Bye bye.
Nathan and I are excited about cooking frog legs, but tonight Andrew was gonna get out the grill to do hamburgers and hot dogs, so we're gonna grill some shark meat. Something else I found at the market here that we don't have at our market at home. All right, get out of the way. Not all about you. Lay down.
Stop it.
And then I think Andrew and Nathan are going to go swim again, and I'm going to practice some painting, I think. We're watching Thor. Just chilling out. Give me your best. What you got? There's Nathan for you.
I mean,
So this knife you have, how is that knife?
well, I think Subway knives are better than this.
Here, let me see it. Can I see the quality of it? I mean, I can't complain because it's provided.
Like how sharp it is, or
Its
like
durability.
its durability.
I thought about bringing our knives, but they're so crappy. I thought surely their knives are going to be better than our knives.
It's just that I'm super strong, and I don't know my own strength.
We're not even persnickety. That's why we're semi-serious, because we're not very persnickety.
But I think I can make it work.
I think that Marvel, this place, probably sells a cheap knife that's better than that one.
But you know what though? This bread for $1.99
That was pretty good bread.
is duck quality. The ducks love this, and it's
Oh, they do. It toasted nicely. You gotta hear that joke. What?
the knife is so dull the onions don't even make you cry.
Do you get it? As if you have a blade on your face.
I'm not worried about Nathan using this knife.
It's so dull. The onions don't make you cry. The onions just cry for themselves.
I can't hold this. I wish I had I want one of those French/chef knives.
What do you think, Daddy? He's got a nice circle going on over there. He's plating them nicely. That's how you usually plate them, right?
Me?
Just like that. It's the onions, right? It's not my phone call with Matt DeFina.
Oh, it's totally the onions.
Totally the onions.
Totally the onions.
That make you fly?
Not to divulge any secret information about what we're going to do on Friday or anything. All right, Fireman Dooley. What else? What are you and Mommy cooking tonight? What is this,
Shark
Steve?
meat.
Shark meat! Here, open it up for me.
I have to eat the salt first.
Oh, you have to eat salt because you're not salty enough? You need more salt? Here, poke a hole in that. Open it up.
Boop. I'm able to eat. Open these.
We're going to save the blue tray because we're going to season the shark meat and put it on the tray. All right. These cute little salt shakers.
That's shark fin, right?
Not shark fin, shark meat. If you just cut the fin off the shark, you're wasteful. You can eat the whole shark. Because I've never had shark, we're just going to do
Hey, is this spicy?
salt and pepper.
Is this spicy?
With these teeny tiny little shakers
Is that
from
the onion one? The sweet onion?
from the resort. Really generic salt and pepper.
If you get it from the purple bag, no, that's not spicy at all.
We'll see how it works out. Mise en étonne! We're putting our meat on the grill. Come here. Viens ici.
Viens ici.
Oh, the firemen have showed up. We're gonna grill our shark for a few minutes and then we're gonna turn it over, okay? We have our shark. So we'll see how this, it looks fantastic. We'll see what Nathan thinks about it. What did we get today? It's not frog legs.
Shark meat.
Shark meat. I think it said it came from Vietnam, maybe?
This meat?
Yep. Yeah. What do you think?
That's good.
It's kind of almost got like a pork consistency.
I need these.
I think you got some. It's juicy. We grilled it. It's kind of have a sweetness too.
No, it doesn't.
You don't think so? Do you taste the salt?
No.
Oh. What do you taste?
Nothing. I just taste meat. Regular meat. It doesn't taste like anything.
Well, that's probably good. It doesn't taste fishy or weird. What do you think about shark meat? Would you eat shark meat again?
Yeah, it just tastes like regular meat. It doesn't taste any different.
Well, there you go. Regular meat. People say it tastes like... Oh, wait, that's frog legs. They say it tastes like chicken. They say everything tastes like chicken.
Mm. I'm looking at you.
Thanks for trying something new.
That's good. I want to have this again.
You want to have it again? What, you want the rest of it? Or as much as you want?
I want all of this. I do have it.